कोई भूमि का टुकड़ा नहीं है, जब तक राष्ट्र पुरुष है। ये वंदन की धरती है, अभिनंदन की धरती है, ये अर्पण की भूमि है, ये तर्पण की भूमि है। इसकी नदी नदी हमारे लिए गंगा है, इसका कंकड़ कंकड़ हमारे लिए शंकर है। हम जिएंगे तो इस भारत के लिए और मरेंगे तो इस भारत के लिए, और मरने के बाद भी गंगा जल में बहती हुई हमारे अस्थियों को कोई कान लगा कर सुनेगा तो एक ही आवाज आएगी, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय। My love for my nation is worthiness. My love for my people is endless. All I desire for my country is happiness. Let me be the first person to wish you a special 74th Happy Independence Day.
We'll have our traditional, spacious flag waving ceremony as a tribute to our motherland. May all human beings live in harmony with nature and other forms of life. May the truth prevail. May the darkness of ignorance be set away of the door of self-realization. I request Rashmita ma'am to commemorate the flag hosting. Ma'am, please.
गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तव जय गाथा। जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Listen to the great words by the person on this special occasion, who is an inspiration for most of us, the man who is the secret of the success of our institute. It's none other than our respected chairman, sir, Dr. E. Prasad Rao Garu. Sir, please.
Good morning, everyone. All the directors, principals, parents, teachers, and students. First, let me wish you a very, very happy 74th India's Independence Day. And we are actually moving towards 75 years of independence next year. Now that we are in pandemic, for the last, I think, 5 months or so, we are all confined to the homes, and education is happening for the children of our group of schools. I'm happy the way the education is really happening, and the teachers and the parents and everyone is completely, they are actually cooperating so that education really happens. Now coming to our nation, a great soil, a great culture, a great civilization, that we are happy to be born in this great nation. This nation is actually a torchbearer for the whole world, for ahimsa, for satya, for dharma, for many things. And this country has given a strong message, a spiritual message to the entire world, especially to the West, to the Western nations. So we are proud to be born, to be part of this great soil and the great nation. And again, to become great, you need to really understand how you can really become great. You cannot say that I want to be a small human being. Every boy, every girl, every man also, 40, 50-year-olds can still try to become great. Greatness is an idea. Greatness is a quality. Greatness is a feeling. Greatness is a part of intelligence. So that greatness should actually be driving through the minds of everyone. So all those great leaders, Mahatma Gandhi, Bose, Subhash Chandra Bose, Nehru, and so many people, Swami Vivekananda you can take, and Sri Aurobindo, number of people, could they become great? They became great because they sacrificed, they were wedded to the philosophy, they were wedded to the cause, and they became the great. So every boy, every girl, every teacher and every parent can find that greatness, can strike the root to greatness. So the greatness is not for some namesake or something or a fame. We are supposed to execute our task, apply our brain, our mind, our heart, and our body to the task that you actually take up. So every boy and girl nowadays needs to understand that your life is in your hands, that you're internally very much resourced, that you've got all the faculties, you've got all the energies, you've got all the intelligences. So please only ensure that your intelligences are really working, intelligences are applied to any context, and that you're growing wholesomely, holistically, in an all-round manner. That's point number one. Point number two, when you're learning, you learn with interest, you learn with engagement, you learn meaningfully, and you own your learning, you drive your learning. It's a very important thing. Number three, you learn from the books, learn from the teachers, also learn from your friends, learn from the community, learn from the nature, learn from various other countries and culture. So learning is always there. If at all you want to be the real and true son and daughter of this soil, you have to keep learning for yourself, for your nation, and for the globe. So Paramita group of children, Iris World School and Explorca children are really different. You have all the intelligences. But what's required is how you apply your intelligences in a proper way, in a balanced way, so that you grow, the family grows, the community grows, the nation grows, and the world grows. Growth is not for one person, growth is for everyone. If it's one person, that is not called a growth. It's called an ecology check, where my work is good to me, good to you, good to everyone. That's why when the great leaders have worked, they worked not for themselves, they worked for every family, the whole community, the whole nation, the whole world. That's very important thing. So nowadays, now we are confined to the houses. I only urge all the children to be psychologically free, to be psychologically strong, psychically very, very strong, not get stressed, not get depressed unnecessarily, to be emotionally balanced, and to be physically strong and stable. It's a very important thing. So unless and until you maintain these things, psychic strength and emotional balance and body strength, if you maintain these three things, nothing can shake, no pandemic, no disease can shape. So all the people become great when they negotiate these things. They think positively, work carefully, willfully, and execute their tasks to the best of their ability, applying all the skills that they have done it. So without taking much time, so today I would like to congratulate all the Indians living in India and abroad on this great occasion. We are looking forward to 75 years of India's independence, and we can celebrate greatly next year in our own schools premises. Now that we are confined to the houses, I only appeal to all the people, to all the parents and everyone, that education should happen, growth should happen. Education cannot wait for anything, whether it's pandemic or no pandemic. That's point number one. And second, number two, I'm extremely happy that kids are really doing a lot of activities, uploading the videos, parents are taking videos. So a lot of work is happening in project-based learning, various activities, functions, festivals, culture and everything. So when I looked at the videos, I was amazed to see how learning happens at home also as much as it happens in the school. So what is required is a will to learn. Place doesn't matter, time doesn't matter, but the willingness to learn, willingness to teach, willingness to support, willingness to grow, that's very important thing. So on this day, I really appreciate the work done by the directors, the principals and the teachers and all the parents, and I only wish and pray that God really blesses all our families, all our children, and our education, a good education, excellent education goes on for every child in the times to come. So thank you so much. Jai Hind.
Prayer is talking to God Almighty, the creator of whole universe. So let's start our assembly with the presence of God. So now I would like to call Varalika for the prayer. So let us close our eyes and join our hands.
All of you close your eyes and join your hands for prayer. Omkara Rupini, Klinkara Vasini, Jagadeka Mohini, Prakruti Swarupini, Sharvadya Dehini, Sakalagda Vahini, Bhaktagda द्वाहराज्यगेहिनी शर्वाद्यदेहिनी सकलाब्दवाहिनी भक्ताब्ददाहिनी द्वाहराज्यगेहिनी ओंकाररूपिणी क्लींकारवासिनी जगदेकमोहिनी प्रकृति स्वरूपिणी मृगराजवाहन नटराजनंजन अद्वेन्दुभूषण अखिलांटी शोषण काशिका कामाक्षी मधुरी मीनाक्षी काशिका कामाक्षी मधुरी मीनाक्षी ममु ब्रोववे तल्ली अनुराग श्रीवल्ली ओंकाररूपिणी क्लींकारवासिनी जगदेकमोहिनी प्रकृति स्वरूपिणी Thank
An oath is a way to make awareness of duties to our nation. So I request everyone to stand in their places and give an oath to our nation with our friend Manish. To let us with the pledge. Pledge follows.
Request everyone to stand for the pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all the elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. I shall be kind to animals. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Every morning brings us new thoughts, new words, new strength, and endless possibilities. So enlighten us and brighten our morning. Here comes our friend Srija to share a thought, and followed by an explanation by our friend Hasini.
Good morning, everyone.
Happy Independence Day to all.
Myself Srija from grade 8.
This is Hasni from grade 8.
Today's thought, Swami Vivekananda says freedom can never be reached by the weak. Throw away all weakness and tell your mind that you are strong and have unbounded faith and hope in yourself.
Explanation. Never feel that you are so weak. You have all the power of universe within you. Convey your mind that you are so strong. And always believe in yourself and back your abilities. Thank you.
Thanks for the great thought. All the world is a stage. For the blink of an eye, let us also create the stage, a stage for drama, performance, and the world of dreams. So put your hands together for our little sister Arushi for the puppet show.
Good morning, everyone. Respected Chairman Sir, Rashmita Ma'am, Principal Ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. Today we are celebrating 74th Independence Day. On this occasion, I am presenting a small puppet show. Please enjoy. Our freedom fighters fought very hard and gave our country freedom. So here comes our first freedom fighter, Rani Lakshmibai. She fought fierce battle with the British and told them, "मैं अपनी झांसी नहीं दूंगी." Now comes our next freedom fighter, Lal Bahadur Shastri. He was second Prime Minister of India and his words, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, even resonates today. Now comes our next freedom fighter, Bhagat Singh. He devoted his life for our nation and went by the slogan, Inqilab Zindabad. Now comes our next freedom fighter, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. He was known for motivational talks and used to say, "तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा." Now comes Father of Nation, Mahatma Gandhi Ji. Bapu led many movements to bring British flag down. Slogan of Gandhiji, Karo Ya Maro, inspired many Indians to sum it up. Due to our freedom fighters, now we live in an independent nation. Now it's our duty to take this legacy forward and work for the betterment of our country. Jai Hind!
Really a soulful performance.
Today we have rainbows of programs to respect our country. Now Harisheshu is going to draw strings of our hearts and his soothing voice to children our souls by chanting a beautiful song.
రివ్వున సాగిపోవు రంగు రంగుల జెండా మన రంగు రంగుల జెండా రివ్వున సాగిపోవు రంగు రంగుల జెండా మన రంగు రంగుల జెండా రండి ఓ బాలులార బండి బయలుదేర ఇక జెండా ఎగురవేయ రండి ఓ బాలులార బండి బయలుదేర ఇక జెండా ఎగురవేయ రివ్వున సాగిపోవు రంగు రంగుల జెండా మన రంగు రంగుల జెండా కాషాయ రంగురా త్యాగానికి గుర్తురా కాషాయ రంగురా త్యాగానికి గుర్తురా తెల్లని రంగురా శాంతానికి గుర్తురా తెల్లని రంగురా శాంతానికి గుర్తురా రండి ఓ బాలులార బండి బయలుదేర ఇక జెండా ఎగురవేయ రివ్వున సాగిపోవు రంగు రంగుల జెండా మన రంగు రంగుల జెండా రివ్వున సాగిపోవు రంగు రంగుల జెండా మన రంగు రంగుల జెండా ఆకుపచ్చ రంగురా శౌర్యానికి గుర్తురా ఆకుపచ్చ రంగురా శౌర్యానికి గుర్తురా అశోక ధర్మ చక్రము ధర్మానికి గుర్తురా అశోక ధర్మ చక్రము ధర్మానికి గుర్తురా రండి ఓ బాలులార బండి బయలుదేర ఇక జెండా ఎగురవేయ రివ్వున సాగిపోవు రంగు రంగుల జెండా మన రంగు రంగుల జెండా రివ్వున సాగిపోవు రంగు రంగుల జెండా మన రంగు రంగుల జెండా 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 థ్యాంక్ యూ
Thanks for your beautiful song.
India is a cradle of human race, the birthplace of human speech, the mother of history, the grandmother of legends, and the great-grandmother of traditions. Pradipta and Rahil are here to share their thoughts on the responsibilities of an individual towards their nation.
Morning, India. Respected Chairman Sir, Ma'am Rashmita Prasad, Principal Ma'am, Coordinator Ma'am, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Myself Pradipta. I'm from grade 7. I'm here to share my thoughts about responsibilities of a citizen in the country. First of all, I would like to wish you all a very happy Independence Day. I'm thankful for having your attention. The independence that we are taking for granted never came to us served on a plate. It is a festival of our martyr struggle over 200 years against the British rule. We, as a citizen of India, should always keep present, past, and future glory of our nation alive. As an independent citizen of India, I would like to throw some light on the responsibilities of every patriot. Duty is a moral and legal responsibility of a person which he or she must have to perform towards country. It is a task needed to be performed as a job by every citizen of the country. Performing duties towards the nation is a respect of a citizen towards his or her nation. Everyone must follow all the rules and regulations as well as be courteous, loyal, and always be responsible towards the nation. There are various duties of a person towards nation such as economical growth, development, cleanliness, good governance, quality education, removing poverty, removing all the social issues, bring gender equality, have respect to everyone, remove child labor, to give healthy use to the nation, and many more. There is a big gap between rich and poor. Everyone should help backward people to grow up, remove social issues, corruption, bad politics, etc. that are running in the country. A very good example of loyal and selfless duty towards country is a duty performed by the Indian soldiers at the borders. They stand up their 24 hours to protect our country from the rivals. Despite the extreme climatic conditions, they perform their duty regularly. They are away from their loved ones and do not get comfort and luxury life. In spite of getting all the extravagant facilities in our lives, we are unable to perform our small responsibilities like following rules, obeying law, and etc.
Being a citizen of India, some of the duties mentioned in the Constitution that we must follow are respecting the national flag and national anthem, obey the laws of our country, pay our taxes honestly, protect and preserve cultural heritage sites. And now,
Freedom is a mind, faith is a word, breathe in the soul. So let's join our hands to show the Nityasri, Shrita and Srija's dance, the patriotic spirit with their marvelous dance performance.
ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। से आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं, वो चिट्ठी आती है तो पूछे जाते हैं कि घर कब आओगे, कि घर कब आओगे, लिखो कब आओगे, कि तुम बिन ये घर सूना सूना है। मैं गया जहाँ भी बस तेरी याद थी, जो मेरे साथ थी, मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती, सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत, प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही। माँ तुझे सलाम, तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम।
अब तो हमें आगे बढ़ते हैं रहना, अब तो हमें साथी है बस इतना ही कहना।
कंधों से मिलते हैं, कंधे कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं। टिंगड़िंग डिंग 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 डिंग, टिंगड़िंग डिंग डिंग डिंग, टिंगड़िंग डिंग 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 डिंग, टिंगड़िंग डिंग डिंग डिंग। ओ थोड़ी सी दूर मेरी धरती की, मेरे वतन की, थोड़ी सी खुशबू बाहर से मस्त बन की, थोड़ी सी धोखने वाली धक 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 सांसें, जिनमें हो जुनून वो बंदे लाल लहू की। ये सब तू मिला मिला ले, फिर रंग तू खिला खिला ले, और मोहित रंग दे बसंती यारा, मोहित रंग दे बसंती। झुके तेरे आगे सर, तेरी गोद मेरा घर है, तुझे सलाम इंडिया। झुके तेरे आगे सर, तेरी गोद मेरा घर है, तुझे सलाम इंडिया।
भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तां हमारा है। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तां हमारा है।
मेरे देश की धरती, मेरे देश की धरती, सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती, मेरे देश की धरती, मेरे देश की धरती।
देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू, देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू, देश मेरे मेरी शान है तू, देश मेरे मेरी शान है तू। हे वतन हमको तेरी कसम, तेरी राहों में
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद दोस्तों इस अद्भुत प्रश्न के लिए। अब मैं आपके सामने हिंदी देशभक्ति गीत प्रस्तुत करने के लिए साहिका और नंदिनी को बुलाना चाहूंगा।
है मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे न रहे। हे मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका न पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस मुंह से निकल के खून कहे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। सरसों से भरे कलियान मेरे जहाँ झूम के भंगड़ा पा न सका, आबाद रहे वो गांव मेरा जहाँ लौट के वापस जा न सका। ओ वतना वे मेरा वतना वे तेरा मेरा प्यार निराला था, कुर्बान हुआ तेरी असमत पे मैं कितना नसीबों वाला था। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरी खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। ओ हीर मेरी तू हंसती रहे तेरी आंख घड़ी भर नम्मा हो, मैं मरता था जिस मुकड़े पे कभी उसका उजाला कम ना हो। ओ माई मेरी क्या फिक्र तुझे क्यों आंख से दरिया बहता है, तू कहती थी तेरा चांद हूँ मैं और चांद हमेशा रहता है। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरी खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
Leaders become great not because of their power, but because of their abilities to empower others. Here comes a respected great leader, Ma'am Ashwarna, who has the confidence to stand alone, the courage to make tough decisions, and the compassion to listen to the needs of others.
Very good morning to one and all present here. My heartfelt congratulations to everyone, respected Chairman Sir, Dr. E. Prasad Rao Garu, our Director Madam, Rashmita Prasad Ma'am, all the honorable management members, teachers, parents, and my dear students. Today, there is hardly anyone who was present on 15th August 1947 to witness the independence on that night. We are privileged to have been born in this world of independence. We are independent and we take it as a right. We always take the privileges to be our birthright, to enjoy each freedom with us. But with the freedom comes lots of responsibilities. The responsibility of being a good citizen, the responsibility of performing our duties to best of our abilities. And I feel, and as students and teachers into an education institute, it is much more our responsibility to be inclined and work for our country. I think you must have seen a lot of individuals who would always come up and, pinpoint at the problems the country faces. But please remember, children, their parents, and all, when we point one finger on the other, three fingers point at us. So when three fingers are pointing at us, it is showing that we also have to contribute to our country. So it is our true nature and our true dedication and an offering to the people who laid their life to give us this life, to dedicate our life in performing our duties to the best of our abilities. So I will not take a long of time, but tell you all just to work on your deeds that has been given to you, people. As students, your responsibility lies to do your work assigned by your teachers. As teachers, our responsibility lies to give the best to our students, to be their mentors, to help them perform, and to guide them to the path of enlightenment. As parents, it is your responsibility to work 24/7 for our children. Remember, parents, these are our children. So it is not that it is the school or the parents separately who can work for these children. Together, today, we take this pledge to take our children in this independent world and take our world to glory. You must have seen that our country is reaching new parameters now. Everywhere, we are getting acknowledgement. Our country is being recognized as a new emerging global leader. And who all are the leaders? The children, the future citizen, whom we are nurturing at this Paramita group of institution. Our chairman, sir, has just rightly said, if we do our best in our abilities, our willingness to showcase our strength, we will do our duty towards the children and do something for the nation. So let us, in the end, just salute our leaders who had sacrificed their life to give us this life and promise that we will be giving all what could in the righteous spirit and in the pious mode to bring our country into other new lights. Thank you and congratulations once again on the 74th Independence Day celebration. Thank you all.
For your inspiring words.
Strong intellectual, encompassed love and compassion, calm and composed, encyclopedia of knowledge, commendable administrator, caretaking and best decision maker, beautiful heart, welcome minded, the navigator of Paramita, and I guess, yes, Rashmita Prasad ma'am, the director of Paramita Heritage CBSE. Now I request our director ma'am to inspire us with her words.
Thank you, Trijal. Good morning, all the parents, Ashu ma'am, Nikhila, all the teachers, all the students. Very good morning to all of you. And I wish you all a very happy 74th Independence Day. So, thank you for giving me this opportunity to be talking to all of you today. And I would like to begin with remembering all those martyrs who have sacrificed their lives, who have given us freedom, the kind of peace that we have today in our lives. If not for them, it wouldn't have been the same. So we are not so fortunate to be fighting at the borders, saving the country, but at least the minimum that we can do is pay our respects and our prayers to all of them. And as Arushi rightly said, we have to carry on their legacy forward. So on this day, I would like to remembering those brave souls. I would like to, talk about three things that I felt I should be talking here today. As Chairman Sir was rightly saying, I completely agree with what he says, that each and every one of us should become productive in our lives. It's not the responsibility of the government. alone to take this country forward. It's the responsibility of every citizen. And for that, to understand and to reflect what is our true potential, where are we really good at, and start working with our complete heart and soul is very important. So now all the experts are predicting that by 2025, India will be in the global economies, top global economies of the world. If India has to be a superpower, I think it's the contribution from every individual that is going to matter. Taking an example, United States has got about 32 crores of population. If you look at India, we have got 132 crores of population. So when so many innovations and so much of creativity, the biggest organization on this planet can happen from a country which has got 32 crores of population. If all of us come together and we realize our potential and we carry forward the legacy of those great people whom India has had, imagine what kind of wonders our country can make with a population of 132 crores. So it's very important that we understand this, and because as Ashu ma'am was also saying, you're all the future generation. Now, whether it is, you try to understand the passion that you have in you. It could be music, it could be art, it could be the way you're speaking, the beautiful comparing that you're doing here today. It could be any call that you have in your heart. Try to put all your heart and soul into it and pursue it 100%. So this is the, I think, the kind of contribution that we can make to the country. And the second thing is that we move forward and we also take our fellow beings along with us. This is something that we have to keep in mind. All the organizations, the great organizations, or all the countries that have won the wars have always spoken about teamwork and how teamwork is very important. If we want to make India a great country tomorrow, if India has to be at the superpower, then we need to go hand in hand. So at your level, as children, you work to the best of your abilities, and then you also help your friends wherever possible, and do not have any kind of negative feelings in us. See, these feelings of having jealousy or greediness or selfishness, that I should be the whole and soul intended individual of having fame, or the kind of love or affection, whatever, respect, because everybody is important. It is very important that we are productive. At the same time, it is also important that we take our friends along with us. So only as a team, only if we go hand in hand, we can make this country a great country. And the third thing that I want to mention is that there is a lot of discipline and responsibility that we should set into our lives. Today, if you go onto the roads, or if you see any kind of the surroundings, we have a lot of responsibility that we need to have. You go onto the roads and you see a lot of people breaking the traffic rules. Why should this happen? It shouldn't happen. Nobody should be there to signal you that you're going in the wrong direction, or you're throwing your waste out of your house. You're not keeping your surroundings clean. It is the responsibility of each one of us that we should do it, because it is important for us. It is our society, it is our neighborhood, it is what is required to have some discipline in our lives and also in the country. So as even Ashu ma'am was also saying, with every with the freedom that we have comes with a lot of responsibility. So there is a lot of discipline that we have to set into our, whether it is our work, whether it is our neighborhood, surroundings, anything. So I hope that we keep these things in mind. We realize ourselves to the true potential, we understand what's our true calling, and then we help our friends and go move hand in hand, and then we set discipline into our lives. I'll leave all of you with this thought, and now is the time to think over it, and let you be reminded of, let all of us be reminded of this every single day from now on. I once again thank Principal Madam, the coordinator, all the teachers for arranging such a beautiful special assembly on the occasion of 74th Independence Day. I would like to appreciate the efforts of all the students who have beautifully coordinated the program today. I wish all of you, and I would also wholeheartedly thank all the parents from the bottom of my heart on behalf of Chairman Sir and the entire management team for supporting the school in each and every step. So once again, I would like to wish all of you a very happy 74th Independence Day, and Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am, for your amazing words.
She is the person have a smile on her face. Never get exhausted with the words, we can do it, we will do it. Everything we see her with a positive vibration, and to support her with all the aspect. She is our tender-hearted Nikla ma'am. Now I request her to convey the vote of thanks. Ma'am, please.
The best and the beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched. They must be felt by heart. Thank you is one such prayer among them. I consider it a great privilege to propose a vote of thanks to all the dignitaries who have witnessed it as a memorable and successful event. Independence Day is a reminder of the sacrifices of the valiant freedom fighters who stood up against the colonizers and even suffered harsh consequences unflinchingly, so that the later generations could breathe in free air. Slaving for 200 years and claiming back our country makes us marvel at the great leaders. Today, my words are not enough to express the gratitude on behalf of Paramita Heritage CBSE School. I would like to thank our chairman, Sir Dr. E. Prasad Rao Garu, who graced us with his thought-provoking address and set a perfect platform for us. I'm sure the students, parents, and all present here will have a lot to take away from the speech. A big thank you to Director of CBSE and IIT Medical League, Rashmita Ma'am Garu, for that inspiring and motivational talk. Thank you, ma'am. I would like to thank our beloved Principal Ashu Wadhwa ma'am for all the words of wisdom that created a source of energy within us. Thank you, ma'am. We will ever remain grateful for Chairman Sir and Rashmita ma'am. Thank you for being with us today. Finally, I would like to take the opportunity to place and record our hearty thanks to all teachers who guided the students in these tough times. I would like to thank technical support team Baburao sir, Rohit sir, Chandrasekhar sir, and Abhinav sir for the perfect logistics support and enormous cooperation in the organization of the event. And I also extend my thanks to parents who supported us in all these tough situations. Thank you. Thank you to each and everyone. Last but not the least, I thank all the students for showing their interest in this program. Once again, thank you very much to all who assembled here. Happy 74th Independence Day. Thank you.
Proud to be an Indian and try our best to be a best citizen. We always stay united and honest. No doubt, India is the best nation in the world. On this day, we should take an oath of highly responsible, honest and well-educated citizens of tomorrow India. My love for my nation is worthiness. My love for my people is endless. All I deserve for my country is happiness. We hope you all enjoyed, and thanks to each and every individual for joining us and making this day one of our best day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. National anthem follows.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे